I am an educator. I'm an educator. I am teaching my $1 Million Brows, going from overlooked to overbooked technique, and this is their third year inviting me. I'm back teaching. I am back just for the overall experience with Premier's trade show here in Orlando, which is actually the biggest trade show in the country. A lot of people don't know this, the biggest trade show in the country. It is important for me to come to Orlando because there is a need for education and for people to be inspired. I think that my story, from me starting the heart of my business in the public bathroom doing brows, and to now having a 7-figure business, I think it's important that I'm able to go to this area in particular and let them know that all things are possible. In person, because they need to see that I'm real. It's not, I'm myself. I only know how to be Nick or Nicholas, I only know how to be myself because being myself is what works. Not standing behind being an influencer, or they think they know who I am. Me coming in, me hugging people, them smelling how amazing I smell. Me just being myself. It's important because in this industry, I'm a minority, not just because I'm a black man, but because I'm a man, period, in the aesthetics world. There aren't that many male estheticians, and so I am the first male to be licensed in PA, from my understanding. And I think that the industry needs to see that we can come in, we can do skincare, we can do waxing. You can do it and you can be successful. It doesn't matter what it is. I think that men need to see a man that is doing it and doing it well. Orlando is a great location because it is an entertainment city. You can go to the water park, you can go to Disney World, you can go to the Epcot Center. It's a place of family, of community. The convention center was good. We had, here at the convention center in Premier Orlando, we've had a great experience. Everyone was kind, everyone was nice. They were accommodating. Orlando is unbelievably real.